Welcome to my personal exploration of the new NEWCOIN.org website, as well as I'm going to go into the docs.newcoin.org and explorer.newcoin.org. So let's start with the main website. First thing that I'm noticing is that the beautiful color of the background and the little tiny bits of green, and then I'm like really excited to show you this. I'm preferring, depends on my mood. I'm preferring the white one for now. The creamy white that we're experiencing here. Okay, it says join the movement, 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 join the movement. Good, I guess. I feel like I want to click on it and say, hey, like, tell me how I can do that. But it doesn't let me. But, you know, I'm part of the movement, so it's all good. We got the NFT, we got the CC, we got the P, we got the two circles, we got the triangle with another triangle thingy, and then we got another logo, okay? I'm not going to name the names, even though I know them. So it also says, if I really turn my head to the right, it says decentralized social graph for all. For all. Okay, for all. I like this a lot, this little guy here. Well, honestly, the reason why I am loving it already is because you can really like shift the mood. I don't know many websites that do that, so good job, NEWCOIN.org. Do we want to click on these or are we going to go down? I'm going to click on them, but you know what? That's what happens. You're going to go down and you click on them. And that's the thing about these websites by the New Life organization. They're all kind of similar in the way that, they're one page basically. Just cute. I like it. Okay, let's go down. Okay. With the explosion of DeFi, NFT scalable and interoperable protocols, it is now time to take social networking into the next stage. Okay, the Web 3.0 stack. Yeah. I'm going to be reading everything, so bear with me. The NEWCOIN protocol provides the foundation for the next generation of social networks, shifting from the attention economy to the decentralized creative economy. Good. Powering creative coordination at scale. The NEWCOIN protocol is a scalable and interoperable blockchain for Social 3.0, enabling the new community-owned decentralized social economy of data ownership and creative coordination through DAO, NFT, and DeFi standards. Dive into the vision. Oh. Okay, no, I'm gonna dive into the vision a little bit later. Powering the creative coordination at scale. You see? Powering creative coordination at scale. I put there when they don't need to be there. Even when I read and it's not there. The NEWCOIN protocol is a scalable and interoperable blockchain. So then the thing with interoperability, right? What does that mean? Does that mean that it's you can apply it in different blockchains and you can like easily integrate it with different systems? Is that what I'm getting? Even though I've been using that word as well in my communications, but still I feel like I haven't experienced it in a different kind of context to be able to really understand its meaning fully. But that's all good. Okay, we got the Dazed paper, the Cointelegraph, we got the Sunday Times, the Forbes, and the Vice there. Okay, do you need anything else? There's always Balanced Culture Medium posts. Okay, we got 1.7 million sessions. What do you mean by sessions? 44 millions of transactions. What do you mean by transactions? And 314k NFTs, which is basically posts, right? Which is nice. What's the percentage of them are coming from Natalia.ai crew? That's the question I have for you. Scaling social blockchain. The proof of creativity consensus algorithm turns creative energy into assets by leveraging mechanism design at scale. The total amount of NEWCOIN staked into each creator pool represents their voting rights for the block producers who operate nodes. So the question I have for you is, what is staking? And what is a creator pool? And how does that work? But let's go down and maybe we can see the answer here in this beautiful diagram that is rotating nonstop. So there is the void in the middle. Okay, there's nothing here. And then there is like this whole situation happening leading us to DAOs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of course, I got 8 DAO situations happening here. Then we have the creator in the middle, block producer on the left, and the block producer on the right. You have the block producers, there are 2 of them. Then creator, only 1 in the middle, and then there are 2 patrons. And then there's creative licenses, combining the creator and the patron. But the block producers are separate. So the question for you is, what are DAO? What are block producers? I understand who creator is, because I am. And who are the patrons? Who are the creative licensees? Our creative licenses are brands that are outside of the creators. Our patrons, what's the difference between patrons and creators? Can creators be patrons? And block producer, what does that mean? What kind of block are you producing? Why are there 2 of them? Why there are 2 patrons? Why there's only 1 creator? But also there are 8 of them all together. So why there are twice as many patrons and block producers compared to creator and creative licenses? Yeah, so those are the questions that come up. Okay, but it's a beautiful graph. I like it. I would add some color here as well. Put some color. The DAOs would be green. What is this for? Tell me. What is this green thing tag for? I like. Okay, social 2.0, social 3.0, and then we have the comparison, okay? So we're going to read first social 2.0 and then social 3.0, okay? So the social 2.0 is a centralized platform owned by a company where shareholders are misaligned with the community. Well, that's an assumption. They're not always misaligned with the community, but that's usually the case, right? That's the UI, the user experience, right? And then monolithic architecture algorithm is the monolithic architecture. Okay, monolithic. What do you mean by that? Is that what's the difference between monolithic and composable architecture? That would be nice to hear and know. Okay, and then the database, content, data, and interface are owned and operated by one company. Okay, that's clear. Okay, no, and then let's move to comparison to social 3.0. Then you have the UI. We'll see how separated these are. Why are these separated and these are together? Why there are white lines here? Tell me. I don't know yet. So let's see. UI is DAO, where each token holder is the co-owner of a platform that and can participate in major decisions. Okay, DAO. Right. So how are you DAO if I'm not fully included in communications? That's the question I have for you. Okay, and please face it gracefully. Yeah, right. And then the algorithm. Yeah, a lot of energy there. Yeah, how's that DAO? It's like, show me the real DAO, please, first. I'm not hiding that my DAO is one person, me, for now, because I haven't gained trust with the people that I'm screening to be part of the DAO. And, I've been screening people for the past 2 years to see who will belong to the DAO balanced culture, balanced fashion, balanced humanity. but I'm getting close to knowing who they are. Okay, so then the algorithm is composable architecture versus the monolithic architecture. I mean, I'm imagining that this is like Legos, like you can like create a new algorithm on top of the old one, and then they all like swappable and interchangeable, while monolithic is like you've got one big algorithm string thing, and then you can't really like plug and play things. But I'd like to have it clarified, okay? Then the database, UI, and algorithm are interchangeable. That's cool. Open state database, where users own their private keys and assets. Okay, user. It's in the 2.0 version of reality. Everyone is a user giving away data and content. And then in the 3.0, everyone is a creator owning their data and content. Okay, everyone is a creator. So why this is a user and not creator then? Right? Content is hosted by the platform, which can delete it at any time. Post. That's the post. And then the NFT. Each content uploaded is an NFT, recognizing authenticity, scarcity, immutability, and ownership. Nice. Followers represent the amount of attention received by each user. Attention. I would argue that it's not the attention. It's so many different things. Like followers can be so many different things, and attention is also derived from the algorithm. So I'm not always seeing what content I'm like, or content creators that I follow. I mean, I'm on traditional social media. So I would argue that followers represent a variety of different things, but not quite the value perceived by the user, but rather perhaps curiosity or practical needs. Yeah, it's just a little bit more complex. And then the sponsors. Instead of followers, there are sponsors in 3.0, okay? Sponsors stake tokens and attach value and scarcity to curation. Okay, tell me more about stake tokens. I know it's a very widely used term in the crypto world, but I think it's super important for us to really understand what it means to stake tokens. Is it like looking for tokens and figuring out which ones are those that are good enough for me as a sponsor? Is it proofreading something? I want to really understand what staking is from a perspective of a sponsor, but also from a perspective of a creator, okay? Okay, then the Web 2.0 likes, so the post. So, okay, so why, I mean, I'm trying to understand a structure here. User, post NFT, follower, sponsor, post NFT. Just trying to understand the structure. Okay, likes are indicators of engagement, tell very little about quality and value. Yeah, that's right. Post, and then NFT. Tokens are scarce assets. Well, you have to remove this if you have the assets in plural, okay? Tokens are scarce assets which can be used for trading, staking, and governance. Question is, what is the difference between NFTs and tokens? Yeah, it's a simple question, but it does cause confusion for me, even now at this point. Do I get to have enough tokens to do trading? Of course, yes. What does it entail to do staking? And what does it entail to do governance? And how to be included in that as a creator and as a sponsor? Yeah. And how my DAO is playing out here. Like, I want to see balanced culture being here, and I want to see new life being here, and I want to see how that is playing out. Okay. And like unit being here, for example, like to highlight our friends. All right. Unclear. Beautiful, but unclear to me personally. And it's cool. Like we're getting somewhere. Okay, tokenomics and licensing. This is much better than the previous NEWCOIN website, which I haven't done this kind of recording for a reason. Okay. Tokenomics and licensing. So, I mean, I know that the tokenomics term has been used in the crypto world, obviously, as long as crypto existed. But I'd like to have a good explanation of what tokenomics is. Is it economics of a token? What is a token? And what does it mean to have economics of the token? I guess we're going to see it here, but just want to know I would like to do this, like similar to what this does. Tokenomica. That doesn't tell me much. I know what licensing is, but I would like to know more on what are the exact and solid examples of how the licensing is going to be used in a new life environment. Okay? How the content is going to be licensed exactly, and what will be literal, opportunities in terms. I want to see all those samples and examples of the real life applications of licensing. Okay, so we have licenses, which is NFT. Then we have creator gets CC. What is CC? Someone tell me, CC. Do we see it? Centralized community? Curation capacity? Creator catastrophe? CC. Coin creator. Okay. Creator coins. That's it. Oh, you see, we're getting very close to reality. We're good in guessing. Okay, creator gets CC, which is creator coins, I'm assuming. In dollars? Or is it the creator coin money? Okay, so licenses, creator gets CC. The creator trading in the creator pool, right? And then trading with patron 1, but not trading with patron 2. Oh no, does trade with patron 2 as well. It's just through another channel. But during this time, AMM trades stake for creator coins. What is AMM? American Modeling Mother? Amazing. Manifester. My last name. Why is this down here while this is happening here? Is it just for the convenience, or it's somehow connected with this being patron first and this one being patron second, and them getting less access to creator pool? We can make it better. Visual design. Okay, we can. Let's do it. Then, interestingly enough, the purchase happens by patron 2 to the licensee, but not for the patron 1. So why is that? And what kind of purchase is it? Why is that the patron 2 have the luxury of purchasing licenses and the patron 1 gets to trade the creator pool situation? What is a creator pool, and what's the difference between the creator and the creator pool? Meaning that, can one creator be the creator pool? Can my reflection account be the creator pool, considering that I'm the only holder for now of the access key to all the accounts they have under the mothership of the reflection? Right. So this is super unclear. Beautiful, beautiful graph, don't get me wrong, but I'm still not sure why the difference between the patron 1 and patron 2, and what's the purchase from the patron 2 is different from non-ability to purchase from patron 1. Is that intentional? Licensing use cases. Okay, NFT. NFT attached to a physical object, NFC. What is what is that? Natalia, fucking cool. Okay, got it. NFT attached to a physical object, which is Natalia fucking cool, purchased by a brand's customer. Brand? Which brand are we talking about? Is that a patron brand or licensee? NFT, creator data to train deep learning models. Okay. Rights to use a set of fashion photography for a magazine. Why does it have to be fashion photography? Can be product photography. The intellectual property of a design for a period of time and a territory. Territory. So I can only do a territory of one city. And how that would be different from the territory of the whole world. What's the shortest period of time? Can it be infinite? Yeah. Okay. The Social 3.0 open state composable architecture, a massively multi-client layer environment enabling granular crypto onboarding for the next billion users. That's what we're going for. 1 billion users. Ambitious. What can I say? Good. That's where we're going, huh? To the Antares. Okay, this one is a big one. Okay, layers, agents, IO SDK, new graph, NEWCOIN, bridge. Okay, so let's start with agents. There's a little visual here. What is going on here? So there is a circle here inside of the fish. And then there is a circle outside of the fish, but they're interoperable. So that circle can go into the fish and that fish circle can go out. Humans or bots participating in the ecosystem, which is nice. Both humans or bots are on the same page, on the same sentence, being presented as one. Cool. Use cases. A bot could use data to apply staking strategies and purchase assets of emerging creators. So a bot can predict good creators, I guess, can predict the behavior of creators and their assets. And that's how it works, right? I guess with, the crypto world. Benefits. Humans and AI can coordinate and arbitrate creative value. Cute. Let's coordinate with AI, the ancient intelligence that we're all tapping into. IO SDK, I don't know what SDK is, even though I've been hearing that for a while and I have never looked it up. Okay, SDK. Slow, drunk, knowledgeable. Sunny, day, I don't know what K is. I'm sorry, let's just move on. Okay. UI client to input, output, and display assets such as data and NFTs. Okay, so IO What is IO? Independent organization? Really, what is IO? But UI client to input, output, and display assets such as data and NFTs. So data meaning like metadata and like user data and all of that, and NFTs being the content, right? Okay. So is that interface design? Is that what it is? This one? This is a mouse, right? There's a screen. That's what we're talking about here. Is that a mouse? I think that looks like a screen. Yeah, it's like a remote control with one button. It's cute. Apps like New Life New Life IO. Okay, that's so IO referring to the .io on the New Life website, which used to be AI and now it's IO, which is like super confusing in my system. So I had to like really restructure my whole thinking about that. Right? Yeah, big one actually. So apps like New Life IO, where creators can coordinate and provide feedback. Like, tell me what are other apps like New Life that you have in mind. I'll be there. Like, tell me, what are the other apps? Instant onboarding progressively towards full crypto experience. What do you mean by full crypto experience? That sounds really creepy somehow in my system. New graph. Data in the, well, we have this whole situation where every dot or every circle is trying to exchange something with another circle. But the thing is, the most popular circle is this and this one. But this one is the least popular one because it only has one connection. I mean, I feel this one, okay? I only can say that I feel the circle. New graph, data indexing, processing AI, ML feed. What is ML feed? Personalization and push APIs. So in the world of integrations that I've been in working as a technical project manager, I know what APIs are, but just for people who are listening, these are basically programs that help integrate programs between each other. So they're like little bridges there. And having that bridge for technology that you're building means that you can integrate your technology with other people's technology using that API, which is a bridge code, basically. Am I describing this correctly? Let me know. Application, I don't know, PI. Apps need a backend to perform recommendations or query blockchain. Yeah. Fast loading and personalized UX on top of blockchain verifiable integrity. Okay, good for us. What can I say? NEWCOIN. So if new graph was those circles were kind of randomly picking their partners, the NEWCOIN has a much more specific structure of partner picking situation. Who is this in the middle? I want to be that circle in the middle. Can I be that? I want to interact with all of them. But why the circle doesn't interact with these? That's the question I have for you. Why are we so picky? Okay, NEWCOIN. Smart contracts connecting objects on open state database. What do you mean by open state database? Does it mean that anyone can tap into it and change it? Minting NFTs, participating in staking pools and DAO voting. What do you mean by participating in staking pools? What does that entail again? How do I become a DAO voter? How do I get to other people vote on my DAO? Decentralized content with built-in incentives, Sybil resistance. What do you mean by Sybil resistance? Huh? Bridge. Okay, we got two pills. Same color. Pick one. They're kind of interlapping each other, so there is like a middle ground there. But they're in a circle. They are. They're comfortably sitting in that circle. Who designed those? They're stupid. A little bit. They don't have to exist so much. But I understand we're trying to, create a bridge image. We're trying bridging the visual and the conceptual in one. Cross-chain. Oh, it's a chain. So what is it? Is it a bridge or a chain? Decide. Cross-chain mechanisms allowing access to flow between blockchains. Okay. DeFi users from other protocols lend to patrons on the NEWCOIN protocol. That feels very technical but very useful. That's all I can say. Liquidity, anything that has to do with bridges and cross-chain work, it's all understandably important. Liquidity for NEWCOIN patrons and yield for DeFi investors from other chains. That feels extremely valuable. That's all I can say, but I don't understand what it means. Ooh, so many to click. Can we not make that? Oh my fucking god. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. What is there? Can I do? Oh yeah, I can do this. Okay, fine. Name extensions. NFT auctions for name extensions like NCO, XYZ, Dev, etc. That's good. We like that. Make that new internet happen for us. NEWCOIN IO v1.0. New client release on App Store and Android. New web interface. Good for us. New finance. Beta release of DeFi layer allowing sponsors to stake. Reserved to pre-sale investors. Okay. That's why I'm becoming a pre-sale investor at that point. I want to know what stake in mystery is by doing it. Nobody wants to explain me what stake in it. And I did open like a YouTube, explanation video on stake in it to stay there for like a month with me, and then I clicked close the freaking, low frequency video situation out of my system. Explain me what stake in is and I'll be happy. Okay, strategic partnerships. DeFi bridges for liquidity, wallet integrations. Oh, fuck no, please. I don't want to do anything with outside of New Life ecosystem, NEWCOIN work. Like, don't make me integrate with other entities at this point. DAOs, yeah, I'll work with them, but they're going to be part of our ecosystem, okay? Aquarian mind. Creators growth, onboarding creative KOLs. No outer layers. I don't know. No outer layers. Through content marketing. Onboarding creative KOLs through content marketing. Yeah, be clear about what you mean by KOL. Cryptocoms. What is it? Crypto communications or commons? Communications, right? Roadshow pitching. Roadshow pitching. Social 3.0 to major influencers, podcasts, AMA, and press. Yeah, who's going to be responsible for that and why this is not happening, like, as we speak? Oh, hello. Tell me what needs to be done. And I'll do it. NFT licenses, smart contracts, allowing creators to license intellectual property. Nice. DAO formation, inviting blockchain and creativity KOLs to refine product. What does that mean, KOL? Name extensions. Okay, we're back. Wait, is that repeated? Yeah, it is repeated. Yo. Yeah, it is. New life. Okay, that repeated. No, okay, so new graph v1.0 is not repeated. So we're going to read that. Data indexing and encrypted file storage on IPFS. What is IPFS? NEWCOIN testnet. Stake pool smart contracts and new landing page with video marketing. Video marketing? What do you mean by that? Listing on DAX and GCAX. So those are the exchanges. Strategic partnerships with exchanges and marketplaces. Or market makers. Cool. Launch pads and TGE. What is TGE? I don't remember. I used to know it, I think. I really feel like I'm in school. I feel so self-conscious right now. Pre-listing, communication, and mainnet going live, insurance of NCO, which is the NEWCOIN ticker. Yeah. On multiple claims. Do you mean chains? You do, I think. New finance. Better release of DeFi layer allowing sponsors to stake. Again, reserve firms. Okay, well, we heard that. Strategic partnerships, DeFi bridges for liquidity, wallet integrations. We saw that. Creators growth, cryptocoms, NFT license, smart contracts, DAO formation, name extensions, new live IO V1, new graph, NEWCOIN testnet, listing DX. I feel like I'm reading a fucking mantra. Okay. I mean, I like the repetition of that because I get to remember all of the features. But this is unnecessary. This is totally unnecessary. It's cute. I get it. It's cute, but it's unnecessary. Building social 3.0 takes a village. Oh, it does. Where the fuck is balanced culture? Am I not good enough yet? Web3 Foundation. Okay, so we have the Binance, yeah, we have NVIDIA, then we have where's Farfetch? Farfetch is there, right? Why balanced culture is not there if Farfetch is there? What the fuck? Kind of thing. Yes, it's important. Consider, my name being here. Like, this is important stuff. Like, how can I how can I even post these kind of things without my name being on there? This is what are we doing here? Am I not cool enough? Starting with the deck and my picture not being on the advisors team kind of thing. This is all creepy shit, and it's fine. I can deal with that, but Scorpio season is here, and I'm gonna pull that out of the darkest, deepest places of my consciousness and put it up there and just say that I'm unhappy. But I've not been so great with branding, right? Tell me what's this logo stand for and what's the CC? I don't even know. Then got the Telos and the Ethereum. It's nice. The Polkadot is there, which looks like Pinterest, right? It's just super creepy how it looks just weird, right? But I'm visualizing for the future. I know the balanced culture will be right here, Join us, exactly. Ooh, you know what happens when I go to Telegram on NEWCOIN? I can actually enter it. Yeah, we're improving. That's all I can say. Sybil resistance, protecting communities. Oh, we have the definition of Sybil resistance. Good. Protecting communities from undesirable behaviors through economic mechanisms such as staking. So, is staking going to be something that will be they're tracking all of my accounts and be Natalia gone mad? Kind of thing. Who will be performing staking? Who will be seeing and measuring my madness? That's the question I have for you. And why do we have this peel and then those 5 dots next to the peel, and then the peel has all these 4 elements? Is that Sybil resistance representation for you? Okay, good, I guess. Decentralized moderation. Apps enforce their own content policies while respecting the ownership rights of the community. Is that the way that you see decentralized moderation? Where is this going? Where are those going? These ones? Why these are separate? Why this is connected? Why this is separate? Why this guy is not touching this? It feels a little too complex for my understanding, okay? DeFi mechanisms allow NCO holders, to share the success of creators from which they acquire liquidity pool tokens. What do you mean share the success of creators? Share with whom? What's the success? What's the definition of success? Tell me. Those that make more money on them? Like, what's going on? Like, is it connected to the number? Still. Can we remove numbers from the system completely? Can we be in crypto space and remove the numbers? I'm challenging you. I know I can. And we have these circles now. They're kind of connected, all of them, but this one is kind of outside. This one doesn't have anyone to save to, like to communicate to, but this one is no one communicating to them. This one is kind of skipping that one. Why? Is that the type of DeFi mechanism that we're working with? Programmable flow. Creators receive automated royalties from the digital assets they can license via smart contracts. So we have the situation of these two lines on top of this uncompleted pill kind of situation, and then we have these three circles. No errors this time, but it's not quite the Sybil resistance type of image. It's a completely different thing, which also kind of looks like a carriage or something, like some kind of a movable device with the wheels, right? Cute, but useless. What can I say? Thanks to sound tokenomics. Sound? What do you mean by sound tokenomics? Like good tokenomics? Like, is that the word for good? Or is like actual sound? La 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 la. I don't know. Thanks to sound tokenomics and mechanism design, NCO powers the protocol and provides scarcity, liquidity, stability, and governance rights to its holders. Buy NEWCOIN forms on freaking G website. Really? No, never gonna fill in. Like, yeah, when you try to make me, I can't even come back. Yeah, when you try to introduce me to a G form, I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? I have not been using Google products like in a while. Like, I mean, email, but not that much. More for like 3D stuff. Then definitely I'm not gonna be filling in your form in G, company. Please, really, like. And I'm so curious to see all these crypto people using still the G forms. I'm like, wait, really? I thought you were in 5D and you're still there. Like, what's going on? And don't tell me convenience because of they go into the database. Like, I don't want to hear that. That's not the case, okay? Yes. Powers the protocol, scarcity, liquidity, stability, and governance rights to its holders. Okay, all right, well, I trust that. And then the NEWCOIN protocol is like digital land, where the surface is scarce in order to prevent spam and abuse. Each unit of storage, computation, and account is owned by the community. Cool. I mean, define spam, define abuse. What does it mean to you? Kind of things, but I get the philosophy behind it. NEWCOIN is a decentralized... purchase land. I can purchase land? Oh, back to the G form. Purchase land. Cute! What could I say? You're trying to like market the land now. The land of the internets. NEWCOIN is a decentralized network made of a galaxy of partners, contributors, educators, developers, supporters, enthusiasts, and thinkers. How about healers? How about philosophers? How about Natalia.ai's? But yeah, no, cute. I like those names. Partners, contributors, educators, developers, supporters, enthusiasts, and thinkers who help it improve on a daily basis. Nice. Cute. Partnerships. Ooh, let's go there. Ooh, Airtable. We're getting somewhere. Consent. What do you mean by that? What is consent? What am I consenting to? Are they consenting to send this information? Name. Contact. Airtable. I mean, so cute that we're still using the Airtable. I mean, this is the reality. Yeah, no, please, like, open it in a new page. Open this in a new page. Open this in a new page. If you still want to, like, keep me on the website and keep my attention, like, don't take me away. Yeah, I mean, I'm not too critical, right? We're good. Why is it 2022? Because it's just because it's a cute number. I get it. I understand. Buy NEWCOIN. Are we gonna go into the G form? We probably will. Yep, we are. Q&A, unclickable. Social media, unclickable. Press and devs, unclickable. Oh, well, guess what? It's a database. So Q&A is this part, social media is this part, and then press and devs is this part. We're gonna click to all of them? Yes, we will. Terms and conditions. Ooh. Well, I've seen this page before. I'm not gonna go through this, but you know, you got the idea. It exists. We got the address. Like, when you ask me what I know the address is from. I'm not gonna do this now, but you got the idea. You know, the address is always nice. Privacy policy. Yeah. Praha 2222. Intense. A lot. New forum. It's the Telegram. New Life IO. That's the epic website that we all love and cherish. And a new graph. It's still the Telegram. What about that? Merch! Guys, you have to remember this historical times when 200 notes costed 80, basically, euros, okay? Like, this is all historical content for you. Buy while you can. That's all I can say. I tried to buy the hoodie, but it wasn't available in my size, and I don't think I received the money back, but that's okay. You know, it's kind of weird though. Right? Yeah, and also let's talk about those nodes and how do I actually make them happen on my accounts. That would be also a good question to ask at some point. I bought some notes for my birthday and never really got them on my account, which is okay, but you know, I kind of want those notes in my accounts. Yeah. Okay, social media and NEWCOIN Twitter. Guess what? It's going to the newlife.ai Twitter, which is the last tweet is from July 8th, where we have this like very serious group of people connecting on the fact that they're all live on the national TV of France, okay? Who's wearing crystals here? Badass. Good. Yeah, no, please open any new page. Like, don't, you know. Twitter. Okay, then we have the Instagram. Ooh, guess who was blocked? Yep. I had to click on that, so it's done. Then we got the Telegram, which I'm not going to click on, then the NEWCOIN Medium. And the latest post from the NEWCOIN Medium is from September 5th, 2018, all right? So, just so you know, July 17, 2018 kind of relics. Cute. Have a lot of history here, that's all I can say. 2018, can you imagine? According to this website, it's 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Okay, press and devs. What do you mean by devs? It's like developer? Yeah, developer doc. Guys, we're gonna go into this in the next video. We will. Trust me. We will continue this party. Scorpio season kickoff by Natalia.ai. Yours truly. Light paper. It's going to the same place. So there was another link to the light paper, remember? Oh, and even the white paper is leading to the same place, okay? All right, let's enjoy the dark version of this website. And week part, this is completely unnecessary, and they're repeating, and they're also confusing. But yeah, these images are really cute and not quite telling, but cute. And this graph doesn't make any sense, because why the patron 1 is not quite where the patron 2 is, and then why creator is outside of the creator pool, and I just like all of this like CC kind of situation, creator coins. We can do better. I don't know what needs to be done, but it can be better. This was unclear in terms of why is this user post NFT and then follower sponsor, then maybe user should be a creator here, and then right, this is cute though, I like this. It's just why this is separate and this is together, what's the difference, what do you want to convey with that? Why these have to be so big? They're huge. I like this a lot. I just want to see some good examples where I click on this and it will be like, oh, balanced culture here. Here's the new life. And then here's the unit kind of thing. Yeah. Yeah, I want to join the movement. I want to actually click on this and like be led to like, I don't know, newlife.io kind of thing. Explore, build by Explorer. Yeah, about this one. So I search by transaction ID, public key, account name. Okay, account name is a reflection, obviously. I find nothing. What do I do? I don't have my block number. I don't know what you mean by that. I don't have a transaction ID because I don't know what transaction I'm looking for, and I don't have a public key. But I do have account name. I have Natalia.ai account name, also not there. I have the fire. Where is that? Where's the fire? All right. So I think we got it. I don't understand what this is for yet, so I want some explanation, but I've clicked on this one. They're quite nice, from Brazil. So that made me smile. And that's a good sign when I smile at the screen. Yeah, good job. Good job. We are getting somewhere. We are not quite there, but we're definitely getting somewhere. And I wish us well, and I wish us a lot of great exposure. I love the viewer of this. I'm happy that you're, tripping with me in this location online, and I'm hoping to see improvements. And I'm here to communicate openly, not only telepathically, and collaborate in our communication strategy. As always, I'm here for us. Yeah, sending love and hugs.